Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Wednesday, June 11, 2025. Today, we'll recap market moves across technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes closed mostly lower today. The Nasdaq 100 and the Nasdaq Composite Index both maintain very strong upward trends despite declining. The healthcare sector bucked the trend with a slight gain, closing higher for a second consecutive day. Market breadth shows strength across the indexes. The Nasdaq 100 saw 75% of components advance today. The Nasdaq Composite showed nearly two-thirds positive, with 1,978 advances versus 1,075 declines. Healthcare saw advances outnumber declines by more than 2-1. Looking at returns, communication services leads year-to-date with a 7.2% gain. Healthcare remains the only sector in negative territory for 2025, down 1.7%. Month-to-date, all sectors show gains between 2.2% and 3.8%. Among top tech performers, Broadcom led with a 3.3% gain. Palantir Technologies hit a new all-time high, rising 2.6%. IBM continued its impressive run, marking its 9th consecutive positive close. Year-to-date returns show Palantir as the standout performer, up over 80%. CrowdStrike and IBM have also delivered strong returns, gaining 39% and 28% respectively in 2025. Among declining tech stocks, Intel led losses, falling 6.3% with a strong negative trend. Semiconductor dropped 3.6%, despite maintaining a strong positive trend. HP declined 2.8%, continuing its very strong negative trend. Year-to-date performance shows EPAM Systems down nearly 25%, the largest decline among this group. HP and Skyworks Solutions have also struggled, both down about 18% in 2025. Nasdaq-related ETFs showed mixed performance with strong underlying trends. The QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both declined modestly. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF maintained a very strong positive trend with notable volatility over the past 4 days. The 3X bearish QQQ showed sideways movement for over a month. Return metrics reveal strong month-to-date performance. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF leads with a 9.2% month-to-date return and impressive 3.6% week-to-date gains. The 3X bullish QQQ shows 7.4% month-to-date gains, while the 3X bearish QQQ has declined 29% year-to-date.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Microsoft edged up with a very strong positive trend, while Alphabet declined slightly, despite showing strong upward volatility. Meta Platforms moved sideways amid volatility, while Apple and Amazon both fell nearly 2%. Year-to-date returns show divergent performance among tech leaders. Microsoft and Meta Platforms lead with gains of 12% and 19% respectively. Meanwhile, Apple has declined 21%, while Amazon and Alphabet show modest losses. In semiconductor stocks, SEALSQ surged 12.4% with a strong positive trend and 4 straight-up days. GCT Semiconductor gained 6.9%, while Enlight reached a 1-year high. Intest rose 4.8% on its 3rd consecutive up day. Week-to-date returns in semiconductors show SEALSQ leading with a 28% gain, followed by GCT Semiconductor at 19%. Intest has risen 18%, while Enlight shows strong year-to-date performance, up 72%. Cloud computing stocks showed strength today. SailPoint jumped 14.6%, while Rackspace gained 8.3%, both on their 4th straight-up day. IBM hit new all-time highs for the 4th consecutive session amid strong upward volatility. Month-to-date cloud computing returns show SailPoint up 28% and Rackspace gaining 25%. IBM has advanced 9% while showing consistent momentum with 9 straight positive closes. CrowdStrike maintains a very strong positive trend. In AI and robotics, Vicarious Surgical broke upward 3% after 6 days of sideways movement. RTX reached new all-time highs, rising 2.3%. Oceaneering International showed strong upward volatility for a 5th day. Week-to-date performance in robotics shows Vicarious Surgical and Nasdaq leading with gains over 5%. Oceaneering International advanced 4.4% this week, while RTX maintains strong momentum with new all-time highs. Leading the thematic ETF sector, Spear Alpha ETF and Industrial and Logistics both showed very strong positive trends with upward breakouts after periods of flat trading. Robotics and automation exhibited strong upward volatility while closing up for the 4th consecutive day. Year-to-date returns show AI and technology leading with a 9% gain, while AI and Innovation Fund delivered strong month-to-date performance at 4.8%. Robotics and automation posted impressive week-to-date returns of 1.1%. Electric vehicle stocks showed mixed performance today. BYD led gains with a 2.1% increase and very strong positive trend. Li Auto rose 1.1% while maintaining sideways movement. Tesla edged up slightly despite its mixed negative trend. Year-to-date returns reveal XPeng surging 73%, while BYD gained 60%. Tesla showed recent strength with a 10.6% week-to-date gain, despite being down 19% year-to-date. Quantum computing stocks showed remarkable gains today. Quantum computing surged 25.3%, while Rigetti computing jumped 11.3%. Summit Hotel Properties maintained its upward momentum for 5 consecutive days. Quantum computing leads month-to-date returns at 67%, with a strong 38% week-to-date gain. Rigetti computing posted an 11% weekly return, while IonQ maintains a very strong positive trend despite recent pullback. Solar stocks showed broad strength today. Tigo Energy led with a 5% gain and strong upward volatility. Nextracker and First Solar both rose 1.9%, maintaining strong positive trends. Year-to-date performance shows Nextracker leading with a 65% gain. Tigo Energy posted impressive month-to-date returns of 30%, while Array Technologies gained 18% this month. Thematic tech ETFs showed notable strength today. RK FinTech Innovation ETF hit a 1-year high, closing at 45.6, up 56 cents with strong upward volatility. RK Innovation ETF extended its winning streak to 4 days, rising to 63.53 with similar strong volatility patterns. Both funds display very strong positive trends. Returns analysis shows RK Innovation ETF leading month-to-date performance with a 12.7% gain, followed by RK FinTech Innovation at 9.6%. The cybersecurity funds Global X Cybersecurity and First Trust. Nasdaq Cybersecurity posted more modest gains around 2–3% for the month.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in to the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.